Welcome back to Auto Luxury, the channel where we celebrate the world's most fascinating classic, vintage, and luxury automobiles. If you love automotive history and timeless machines, make sure to subscribe and join our growing community of car enthusiasts. Today, we're taking a journey back nearly a century to appreciate a remarkable automotive treasure, the 1927 Ford barn find. Few discoveries excite classic car lovers more than uncovering a vehicle that has been hidden away for decades, and a 1927 Ford is one of the most special finds imaginable. The year 1927 marked the end of an era for Ford. It was the final production year of the legendary Model T, a vehicle that transformed transportation and changed the world forever. By 1927, millions of Americans had experienced automobile ownership thanks to Ford's revolutionary manufacturing methods and affordable pricing. When a 1927 Ford is discovered in an old barn, garage, or forgotten storage building, it is much more than just an old car. It is a surviving piece of history. These vehicles often sit untouched for decades, protected from the elements and preserving stories from another generation. One of the most exciting aspects of a barn find is the mystery. Who owned the car? Where did it travel? What memories were created behind its steering wheel? Every scratch, every worn component, and every faded detail tells a story that cannot be replicated. The design of the 1927 Ford remains charming even by modern standards. Its tall stance, elegant fenders, simple grille, and classic proportions instantly transport us back to the Roaring '20s. Unlike today's highly computerized vehicles, the 1927 Ford represents mechanical simplicity and honest engineering. Under the hood, the famous four-cylinder engine powered millions of journeys across America and beyond. While its performance numbers may seem modest today, the Model T was a revolutionary machine during its time. It offered reliability, affordability, and accessibility to ordinary people who had never before considered owning a car. Many barn find examples are discovered covered in dust, with flat tires and weathered paint. Yet beneath that layer of age often lies remarkable originality. Collectors value these untouched survivors because they provide an authentic glimpse into automotive history. Original paint, factory components, and period-correct details can make a barn find especially desirable. Restoration enthusiasts often face an important decision when they discover a 1927 Ford. Should they fully restore it to showroom condition, or should they preserve its aged appearance and historical character? Both approaches have passionate supporters. A complete restoration can return the vehicle to its former glory, while preservation allows the car's unique journey through time to remain visible. The popularity of barn finds has grown tremendously in recent years. Car enthusiasts around the world are fascinated by vehicles that have been hidden away for decades. A 1927 Ford barn find captures the imagination because it represents a direct connection to one of the most important periods in automotive history. Imagine opening an old wooden barn door and seeing sunlight fall across a dusty Ford that hasn't moved in half a century. The atmosphere alone is enough to excite any collector. The smell of old wood, aged leather, and vintage machinery creates a moment that feels almost magical. What makes these discoveries even more special is their rarity. Every year, fewer untouched examples remain hidden. Many have already been restored, collected, or lost to time. Finding an original 1927 Ford today is becoming increasingly difficult, making each discovery an event worth celebrating. The craftsmanship of these early automobiles also deserves admiration. Despite being built nearly 100 years ago, many components can still function after proper maintenance. This durability reflects the practical engineering philosophy that helped establish Ford as one of the most influential automobile manufacturers in history. For younger generations, a 1927 Ford serves as a rolling history lesson. It demonstrates how far automotive technology has evolved while reminding us of the ingenuity that laid the foundation for modern transportation. Every feature, from its controls to its mechanical systems, offers insight into an earlier era of innovation. Collectors often describe barn finds as time capsules. Unlike restored vehicles, they preserve authentic evidence of how automobiles were actually used and maintained. This originality provides valuable information for historians, restorers, and enthusiasts alike. Whether the vehicle eventually receives a complete restoration or remains a preserved survivor, its importance remains undeniable. A 1927 Ford barn find is more than a collectible automobile. It is a symbol of innovation, perseverance, and the enduring appeal of classic motoring. As we admire these incredible machines, we are reminded that automotive history is not only found in museums. Sometimes it waits quietly in forgotten barns, hidden from view until someone uncovers a remarkable treasure. Thank you for joining us on Auto Luxury as we explored the fascinating story of a 1927 Ford barn find. If you enjoyed this video and appreciate classic automotive history, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with fellow car enthusiasts. Let us know in the comments whether you would restore a 1927 Ford completely or preserve its original barn find condition. Until next time, keep your passion for classic cars alive and continue celebrating the timeless beauty of automotive history. Did you like this feature?